Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the middle berth in a train. Middle berths are a common feature in many train compartments, designed primarily for sleeping during overnight journeys. They are typically folded up during the day to provide ample seating space for passengers on the lower berth. Understanding their proper usage ensures a comfortable and considerate travel experience for everyone on board. We'll cover the essential steps and etiquette to make your journey smooth and enjoyable. The key to using a middle berth effectively lies in understanding the day and night usage. During daylight hours, it's customary and considerate to keep the middle berth folded in its upright position. This allows the passenger on the lower berth to sit upright comfortably, creating a shared seating area. As evening approaches and passengers prepare for sleep, the middle berth can be lowered. A quick, polite conversation with your fellow travelers can help coordinate the best time for this transition. Operating your middle berth is quite straightforward. To lower it for sleeping, first locate the latches or hooks, usually found on both ends of the berth. Gently release these mechanisms and pull the berth downwards until it rests securely on its supports. You should hear a click or feel it lock into place. To raise it back up, simply reverse the process. Unlatch the supports and push the berth upwards until it clicks and secures firmly against the wall. Always double-check it's stable. For a truly comfortable and courteous journey, consider a few extra tips. If you have your own bedding, it can significantly enhance your sleep quality. Otherwise, train staff can often provide some. Be mindful of your fellow passengers, keeping noise levels low and using personal lights if reading late. Keep your luggage neatly stowed to avoid blocking the aisle or other berths. A little communication and respect for shared space go a long way in ensuring a pleasant trip for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.